Is your Apple Pay stuck in limbo, refusing to work despite your best efforts? It might be a deeper issue than just a simple glitch, potentially a hardware problem stemming from your iPhone's motherboard, which is often the culprit behind Apple Pay malfunctions when the secure element is compromised. Let's start with the basics. Power cycle your iPhone by turning it off completely and then turning it back on. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary software hiccups that interfere with Apple Pay. Next, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Head over to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues with Apple Pay services. Verify your card details within the Wallet app by opening Settings, selecting Wallet and Apple Pay, and ensuring that your cards are active and that all information is accurate. If the problem persists, reaching out to Apple support is your best bet. They can run remote diagnostics and provide tailored solutions, and they might even guide you through more advanced troubleshooting steps. For a motherboard-related issue, professional repair is often the only solution, and you'll want to seek out a certified technician who specializes in Apple device repairs, who can properly diagnose and repair any hardware faults. While frustrating, with the right troubleshooting or professional help, you can often get your Apple Pay back up and running, so you can get back to those seamless, secure transactions.